These are honestly the best chicken quesadillas and they're super easy to make. Let me show you how. I'll be using 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs that I'm gonna cut into smaller cubes. We add a little bit of oil and 1 teaspoon of Jugo Maggi. Here I have 1 teaspoon of each: onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and chili powder. Last, we add salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything until well combined and we let it marinate in the fridge for about 45 minutes. To make the salsa, my saucepan is set to medium heat with boiling water. I'm gonna add 2 serrano peppers, 2 garlic cloves, small piece of white onion, and 9 tomatillos. After 6 minutes, they're ready and we add them to the blender, along with 1 cup of the water. We're also gonna add a small bunch of cilantro, half of a large avocado, and salt to taste. We blend. And this is the consistency that I like. If you want your sauce to be thicker, just add the whole avocado. Now to cook the chicken, my griddle is set to medium heat. We add some oil, and once hot, we add the chicken. We cook for a few minutes. The chicken has been cooking for 7 minutes, and now to cook the veggies, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil here on the side, and here I have 1 green bell pepper and 1 red bell pepper. Saute for about 2 minutes, then we add half a white onion, continue cooking for another 2 minutes. Now we mix everything together and we're gonna continue cooking for another 4 minutes, then we set aside. For the quesadillas, I'll be using this extra large flour tortillas. I'm gonna add some Monterrey Jack cheese, or you can use the melting cheese of your choice. We add some of the chicken, you can add as much as you like, and last we top it off with more cheese. I like to get my tortilla nice and crispy on both sides and it's ready to enjoy. And let me show you guys how delicious this looks right here. I'm gonna add some of the green salsa we made and our quesadilla is ready. With these ingredients, I was able to make 3 quesadillas, but if you use smaller tortillas, you can probably make about 8. All right guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, these are so delicious. The chicken is so juicy. That's one of the reasons why I prefer using thighs over breast, because the meat is way juicier. And also, I use the very extra large, not very extra large. I use the extra large tortillas for these. These are very big. They're shareable. Me and my husband, I eat 1/3 of it and he eats the rest. One more thing, this is a perfect idea for now that the World Cup is coming. You cut these into smaller pieces and it makes the perfect appetizer. They're so delicious. And there you have it, delicious quesadillas de pollo. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.